In this video, let's quickly talk about the way that you can fix the Facebook friend request problem. If you're not being able to send friend requests to other people, then that likely could mean that you have made too many requests, so that Facebook has restricted your account's ability to send any more requests. So in this case, you just need to wait out at least 24 to 78 hours before your account is reset. Now, if this is not the issue with you, and you're not being able to see the add friend request option on a particular profile, then that likely means that this person has not allowed random people to send them friend requests. So in this case as well, you won't be able to do anything and you won't be able to send them friend requests. Now, however, there is also a different case where your friends on Facebook have reached the 5,000 limit. Then if that is the case for you, then Facebook will automatically disable the ability to send friend requests. So in that case, you won't be able to do anything. Either you will need to remove some of your friends on Facebook to send new friend requests. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.